Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play on a dead pitch. Playing on a dead pitch requires a specific approach to batting. These pitches typically offer less bounce and slower pace, making timing crucial. You'll need to adjust your technique significantly to score effectively. We'll cover key strategies to help you master these challenging conditions and build a strong innings, focusing on precision and patience throughout your play. On a dead pitch, your footwork is paramount. You must be quick and decisive, moving either forward or back to meet the ball at its optimal point. Good balance is essential for maintaining control and generating power, even when the pitch offers little assistance. Aim to get your front foot as close to the ball as possible for fuller deliveries, or rock back firmly for shorter ones, ensuring a stable base for every shot. When a duel occurs, both players must quickly grab the totem. The player who successfully grabs the totem first wins the duel. The losing player must then take all the face-up cards from both players' discard piles, plus any cards from the winner's personal discard pile, and add them to their own draw pile. Grabbing the totem by mistake, when no match is present, incurs a penalty. Finally, patience and adaptability are your greatest allies on a dead pitch. You must be prepared to wait for the right scoring opportunities, not forcing the issue. The pitch conditions can change, and bowlers will try different tactics, so be ready to adjust your game plan accordingly. Building your innings steadily, valuing every single run, and preserving your wicket are crucial for success in these challenging circumstances. Stay focused and disciplined.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.